Help support the companies that support our community. There we go. It's about 10 inches tall and 4 inches in diameter, and it is out of Koa wood. So a buddy of mine, Rick, sent me this from Hawaii. It is just a beautiful piece of wood. Thank you so much, Rick. I love the contrast between the heart and the sapwood. It's amazing. So I put the walnut oil on it, and it looks like this area right here, the walnut oil dried, but it's not. It's actually the wood. So it's completely soaked in, and it has these just gorgeous detail right here with the white in between the sap and the heartwood. It's just a beautiful piece of wood. And the lid is walnut. I turned that out of walnut. So a buddy of mine, Bruce at Jordan Woodworks, has been doing a lot of stuff, posting a lot of pictures with using the off-center jig. So I thought I would try making a lid with it. I've never done that before. I've done some bottle stoppers and stuff, but I thought maybe making the whole lid would be cool. So I really like playing around with it. The jig, there's pretty much endless possibilities with it. I'll do another video on the actual jig, and I'll play around with it a little bit more and show you what it can do. But this is just a basic one. I moved it off one position to create that little off-center part on the top of it. But yeah, you can index the thing, so it's super cool. But thank you, Bruce, for inspiring me to give it a try again and play around with it. But yeah, just a fun project. It's just a beautiful wood. I've never turned Koa before. Thank you so much, Rick. All right, hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you next week. Take care.